Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my nighttime skincare routine. I was super tired and didn't feel like talking during my video, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. But first, I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis micellar water. I really love using this instead of makeup wipes. It definitely gets my makeup off super fast and it's not bad on my skin. But honestly, it doesn't matter what brand you get, they're all the same. So now I'm going to take my Cetaphil Daily Face Cleanser and apply that to my towel face brush. And any moment now, I'm going to turn the button on and there we go, washing my face. I like using Cetaphil, but sometimes I'll use Noxzema, or Mary Kay has a really good facial cleanser as well. But this is definitely better than using a washcloth to wash your face. And also, here's the box. If you want me to do a review on this product, let me know. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Biore Natural Charcoal Self-Heating 1-Minute Face Mask. So you'll basically just rub it in your face for 1 minute and then you wash it off. And I have really bad pores, so I thought I would try this out. But one thing I can say is I do like their charcoal nose strips. They actually work, yes. But this doesn't get super hot, but it does have my face feeling tingly and it's amazing. So now I'm gonna take my exfoliating brush from the Towel Brush Collection. I recommend exfoliating your face at least once a week. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Rose Petal Facial Toner. Oops, wrong camera. But I just now started using this. I don't know if I like it or not yet, but I saw a lot of good reviews. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it, see what it does to my face. But this is alcohol free and it's formulated with aloe vera and it has witch hazel in it. It's supposed to like soothe and, you know, naturally cleanse my skin. But I also like to wipe in an upward motion so my skin won't be saggy in the future. And now I'm gonna take my Este Lauder Advanced Nighttime Serum. Honestly, I don't really know if I like this that much, but I'm so happy I got a sample size. But you know, I'm just gonna finish the bottle and see if it changes my mind. And as you see, I'm wiping upward. And girl, don't forget that neck. You gotta make sure your neck is moisturized as well so it won't be saggy. Okay, so cool. I'm gonna use the Derma Roller on my face. I bought this from TJ Maxx. I can't really remember the brand, but they have tons there for you to choose from. But it's important to make sure you have these rollers and alcohol before you use it. Oh, if you're struggling. I'm struggling trying to put it on. All right, girl, get it together. So I'm basically just gonna roll it up and down my face 5 to 6 times. By doing this, you know, you're just repairing your skin and creating new collagen. It doesn't hurt either. It feels pretty cool. So now I'm gonna take my Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel cream. I'm gonna put it under my eyes and it definitely hydrates my skin. Well, my under eyes, I guess it's my skin. All right, it's almost over, guys. So now I'm gonna take my Olay facial moisturizer. And honestly, you just can't go wrong with Olay. Like, they've been around for so long and their products are just the bomb. And honestly, a little goes a long way, so it's lasting me a long time. As you see, I only put a little bit of lotion on my face and it's just, you know, getting in there. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any skincare tips, feel free to comment down below. Peace.